Hello and welcome back. I'm just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing puzzle number 87. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We have a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 5, 4. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 1, 3, and 7 here again, 1, 3. So that means the only place our 7 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 8. 9 here, so 3, 8. That means our 9 has to be here. And that 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 8, 3, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8. 8 covering both of these boxes, so 4, 5 up, but we've got a 4 there. So that makes this our 5, 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. So 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. This 8 means this is our 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. Don't see any other help, so 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 2, 6. That means the only place our 1 can be in that column is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes. 6 here. So this is our 7. Again, that 3 makes this our 6. So this is our 3. That makes this our 7. The 6 makes this our 2, 6. And for this box now, we're only missing a 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 3, 4. This 1 makes this our 6. It also makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 5, 9. This 5 makes this our 7, 5. So for this bottom row now, we're only missing a 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here. So 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.